I want to take a few moments and invite you over to my website, coolprintstoday.com. There you'll find a bunch of cool things. We have sweatshirts, we have hoodies, we have t-shirts, youth size t-shirts, we have ladies style t-shirts, all the way to mugs, vinyl decals, and so much more. The cool thing about it is every week we're uploading new things, so hopefully this website will be growing, and by the time you see this video we'll have a lot more stuff in there. But make sure you check it out, and every little bit that you buy from there helps this channel, helps me grow, helps me be able to do new things, come up with new videos, and try new different equipment and that sort of thing. So make sure you check it out. Again, it's coolprintstoday.com. We'll see you there.